Hello all and welcome to the third episode of Klizer Konnect. I'm excited to start this video series where we discuss the latest innovations, industry updates and more. If you haven't had a chance to check out our previous videos yet, be sure to watch them on our channel. I'm Alfred, your host today, and we are going to talk about something crucial for manufacturers and distributors operating in the e-commerce space using Magento. In my sales journey, I've heard a lot of customers coming to us and saying that they have invested a lot on their store and they are not satisfied with their store performance. Interacting with them, more to understand their pain point was they did not have a team or support to maintain their Magento store. So now let's talk why you need Magento support and maintenance and why they are really important. Magento is packed with features that make it a powerful choice for any business owner. If you are looking to start or scale up, it offers out-of-the-box capabilities that help you create high-converting stores. But here's the thing, having a Magento website is not enough. For your store to perform flawlessly and deliver an exceptional user experience, ongoing support and maintenance are essential. Let me take you through key insights for your healthy e-com store. The first one would be improved website performance. So customers generally expect fast load times. If your site lags, your sales are gonna go for a toss. So that's where Magento's support helps optimize everything that covers up optimizing your code, images, and caching, ensuring a smooth experience that boosts customer satisfaction and improves your search engine ranking. Just like you wouldn't run a marathon in old sneakers, your store also needs regular updates. That's where the support team ensures you're always using the latest versions with updated plugins, maximizing your performance and functionalities. The next one would be updating all new functionalities. As your business grows, your store should too, where Magento support can add new features like personalized product recommendations or advanced search functionalities, keeping your customers engaged and coming back for more. The next one is data backups and disaster recovery. With Magento support, regular backups and recovery plans are in place to safeguard your valuable data and quickly restore operations. Running a business is already demanding. You don't need to spend hours troubleshooting technical issues. That's why Magento support teams handle everything from bug fixes to performance optimization, so you can focus on what matters most to grow in your business. If you're a business owner using Magento, now's the time to ensure your platform is fully supported and ready to grow your brand. Thanks for tuning into Klizer Konnect. And as always, if you have any questions or need more information, feel free to reach out to us and don't forget to subscribe and follow us on our social media channels to get the latest updates on the B2B industry. Until next time, take care.